Bitcoin price predictions. What's going to happen? Okay, well, you've got a variety of opinions out there by so-called experts. For example, one who called the top at 69,000 says it's going to 24,000. We're at 30 now as I do this video. And yet Tim Draper, he says it's going to be 250,000 by the end of the year. 24, 250. Okay, it's a little bit crazy. Let's give you the 5 indicators, things that are happening in the market so you can make an opinion. And indeed, I'll give mine at the end of the video. So first of all, the economy counts. In other words, you've seen a sell-off on the S&P. It's actually more correlated to the S&P Bitcoin than ever before. 80% correlation. That's super high correlation. In other words, people are risk adverse at the moment. So if that continues, that's bearish. Okay, why does Dave the Wave say 24,000? He's looking at a chart. He says double top. We've had a double top. We've got a double bottom. So he says 24 bounce. Okay, then up. So maybe they're both right. Could you have a 24 bottom, 250 up? 250 seems high, but that's what Draper says. Let's see. So economy counts. Number 2, activity. That counts. It's healthy at the moment. So that's bullish. Okay, so economy, bearish. Bullish is activity. There's plenty of activity out there, and it feels like, and this is point 3, that you've actually got people holding. So we're at high hold level. 65.7% of people that have Bitcoin have had it for more than 12 months. So in other words, you've got a high hold level. Short-term people, short-term holders have sold. That would be a bullish indicator. Okay, next, dollar. There has been a correlation or reverse correlation with the dollar and Bitcoin. In other words, when the dollar goes up, you've seen Bitcoin go down. In other words, it's seen as an alternative to the dollar. When they printed loads or added digitally loads more dollars to the economy, Bitcoin went up. Right now, the dollar's high. Companies in America, Microsoft said it on Friday. Tesla is saying it. Dollar's high. When the dollar's high, too high, America slows down. That actually means that the dollar would start to fall. Okay, so expect that to happen. That could be an indicator that Bitcoin is going to be going up. Okay, next, you see more and more people actually in the Bitcoin market. In other words, it's getting approval, it's getting more accepted, you see more countries accepting it. Obviously, it's bullish. Okay, it's a bullish sign that you're going to get more and more people investing. And when the market goes, okay, unfortunately or fortunately, whichever way you want to go, when it goes, okay, then you get more and more people come in because confidence comes into the market. And there is this correlation. The more confidence that's in there, then of course you get more people coming in. People have the fear of missing out. They start to pile in. Okay, last point, just remember, it's a thinner market. Less people trade, same as the stock market, during the summer. So you might see it bounce around during the summer and then just have this tidal wave of Bitcoin coming back towards the end of the year. Historically, that's what's happened. We'll see if it bounces around, and then we'll see if towards the end of the year it starts to build that momentum. Okay, I'm going to go with that one. As you probably gathered from either way I described it, I'll actually say that we're still going to end up with a fantastic figure, well above 50,000. I think it will go to 65 by the end of the year, but I'll go for over 50,000. That would be a massive percentage right from now. I'm bullish in the term up to the end of the year. In between that, a little bit of volatility. I'll be looking at the volatility, and personally, I'll be investing. Okay, you make your own decision. Talk to a financial advisor. Get in as much information as you can. One way to do that, subscribe to my YouTube channel, because on a regular basis, I'll put out what's happening in the financial market. I reckon I get 7 right out of 10. Okay, we'll see on this particular prediction. Hit like, hit share, and please, make sure that you subscribe to the YouTube channel.